Hey everyone, and welcome to a new installment of Distance Learning with Art. So today we are going to be focusing on taking one of your favorite jokes and drawing it so that someone else will laugh. So personally, I'm really bad with jokes. So if you notice, I have a joke already written out here, and this is actually a joke from my husband. My husband is actually sitting here with us, and he had the idea of the question of, what time do you go to the dentist? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to illustrate or draw what the actual punchline of this joke is. So I want to see if you can figure out what it looks like. And I was going to use markers, but honestly I think I'm going to draw this with a pencil because I might need some time. Alright, so let's just take some time and actually look and think about what we're doing. So if you're doing this at home, you can do this with a friend. You can do it by yourself. Personally, I'm really not good with jokes, so I needed a friend to help. My friend just happened to be my husband, who I'm in quarantine here with. So think about the resources that you have available. Maybe you have a classroom teacher who's really good with jokes. Again, not me. So think about who you know and where you can find really good jokes. And thumb would be over here. So I'm thinking about what all these shapes look like. And maybe as I'm drawing this, I'm like, I don't know if I drew that well. I don't know if someone's going to be able to understand this. So I can even go one step further and think about how else I could choose to represent it. Because I don't have to just represent it one way. I can represent it multiple ways. And then maybe I'll draw like a little comic bubble over here to help you guys out with a punchline. And I'll go back over this in marker in just a minute so you can really see what it looks like. Actually, they don't look like that.
You put like frowny face on it.
Ooh, that was a good idea. I appreciate your comment. I don't know if you guys heard what he said, but he thought I could add a frowny face to it. Okay, so now I'm going to outline this thing in marker so you guys can actually see what I was working on. Not my best drawing of a person, but I think it gets my point across, I hope. I'd love to see in some comments what you guys think the punchline of this joke is. Make sure to ask permission before doing anything on the internet. Alright, so again, our joke was, what time do you go to the dentist? And what do you think the punchline to this joke is? I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to seeing your examples of your own jokes. Talk to you soon.